Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Komadi Pramaksuma Prayoga, candidate list number 19. Now, I will explain about vegetables and fruits and meats. Number 1 is the vegetables. Vegetables are all type of the plant that can be consumed whether taken from the roots, stems, leaves, stems, flower or the other part used to be processing into food. Vegetables are in general term for foodstuffs of plant origin which usually contain high water content and are consumed fresh or after minimal processing. In general, vegetables contain more starch, carbohydrates, especially vegetables that come from roots. Green vegetables contain less sugar than fruit-shaped vegetables, and leafy vegetables contain more vitamins, water, and minerals. The scope of the vegetable crop can be studied according to grouping based on the part that is harvested or consumed, such as fruits, vegetables, leaf vegetables, short vegetables, and root vegetables. And fruit vegetables such as chili, tomato, eggplant, cucumber, and the leaf vegetables such as mustard greens, spinach, kale, and shoots vegetables such as bamboo shoots, asparagus, and roots vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, beets, radish. Next is fruit. The definition of the understanding of the fruit in general is one part of the plants or the tree that is refreshly that and can be eaten as food can provide as fillings, healthy and pleasant effects. From the point of the view of the botany, fruit can be interpreted as an organ structure in flowering plants, which is a future development of the ovary, which is used as a place to store that result of photosynthesis carried out in the lab. Usually, the fruit is also used as a container to wrap and protect the seeds so that the plant can carry out the regeneration process. The three basic types of the fruit there is single fruit, double fruit, and compound fruit. Single fruit is formed from one flower with one ovary containing one or more cells, and a double fruit is a fruit formed from one flower that has many ovules. Its ovule grow into spark fruit, but eventually becomes a collection of fruit that looks like one fruit. For example, sour soup and the compound fruit is a fruit can is a formed from the compound interest. Therefore, that this fruit come from many flower and many of flowers within the enzyme to be one fruit. For example, pineapple. Last is meat. Meat is the soft part of the animal that is wrapped in the skin and added to the bones that becomes food. Meat is the component mostly for muscle tissue, flesh, and the fat attended. There are many types of the animal that can be consumed by human. Each animal has the different taste, texture, and the contents in the taste meats. Generally, in the addition to the taste nutritional content and the cholesterol level are also the reason for the choosing meats by many people. Five types of the meats and their respective contents. Number one is fresh meat. Fresh is arguably the best the density of the meats. The protein content is the fish is very high. In addition, there are also essential amino acids and omega-3, which are very good for the development of the body and the brain. In addition, this is the type of the meats that is the low in fats and cholesterol. Next is the chicken. Chicken can be the best alternative for the those of you who don't like fish but have the trouble eating red meats. Chicken contain a lot of B vitamins, mineral, and the selenium. However, avoid consuming too much chicken, especially on the skin, because it is the risk to risk of the heart disease. Next is the beef. The tip of the meal is the most popular all over the world. Beef is the rich in animal protein and iron which cannot be found on the table of the foods. However, beef has the high cholesterol and structural fat left which are not good for the heart. The improper cooking process of the beef can also cause various diseases. Next, goat's meat. Besides being rich in protein and iron, meats with a quite fungus smell can also help the process of absorption of vegetables proteins. However, the cholesterol in the goat's meat is among the highest and the content obviously no favor. Last is the pork. Pork is the quite popular in the world, even though it is the strategic pursuit for the Muslim to consume it. Pork contains various types of the B vitamins, irons, and minerals such as phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and selenium. Okay, those are explained about the vegetables, fruit, and the meat. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.